Hello everybody. I recently picked up some new old stock parts from my 1982 GE refrigerator. When using old appliances and keeping them in daily use, it's important to have an assortment of replacement parts because stuff does break after 30-40 years plus. So if I can find a good buy on some new old stock genuine GE, I'll go ahead and buy it. Up first, we have got a WR9x482 defrost timer, and it appears to be from 9/4 of 2007. And here's a look at the timer. The timer in these refrigerators is located on the freezer side down on the bottom, just behind the front grill, the kick plate. Up next is a WR60x162. The box says 11/1987, and inside is an evaporator fan motor. The one out there still has the original from 1982, so I thought it'd probably be a good idea to go ahead and get one on hand. Comes with the mounting bracket, and it comes with a notice for using the bracket. And this data sheet has 7/1983, so that's pretty close to period correct, and that's made in Singapore. A note: the compressor start relay that came out of it was also from Singapore. As you know, if you've watched some of my videos on my appliances, I replaced the compressor start relay October of 18, I believe, and that's been working perfectly ever since I did that. Oh, and it comes with a foam pad. Put that back in the box. And finally, we have a defrost heater element. WR49x0391. And this one's box from 1995, September of 95. And that's quite an old instructional sheet with the old GE and Hotpoint logos. Tells you how to install what type of evaporator coil is installed. So I can't remember off the top of my head which one. I think it's got this one, the spiral fin. But if I ever need it, I've got it. And there's what it looks like. The element's enclosed in a glass tube. And it comes with the new wiring harness. And here's the second one. That's also original to 1982. So I figured I better get that. So I should be pretty well set unless I have compressor failure, and then we'll just go from there. They do sell a compressor kit for it, but it's quite pricey. But we'll see. But just wanted to show off my new old stock scores I found for the 1982 GE refrigerator. Thank you for watching.